The world's largest meeting on cancer research is underway in Chicago. Thousands of doctors and researchers from around the globe getting together in person for the first time since the pandemic started. They're there to learn about the latest advances in treating cancer. But those medical breakthroughs, and they are amazing, are also very expensive. Patients often expected to shell out more than $100,000 a year on the new treatments. Some cancer doctors have coined a new term for an unexpected side effect of these drugs: financial toxicity, meaning some patients don't even take the medications that could save their lives. CNBC's Meg Terrell spoke with one of them.
Retired nurse Lynn Scarfudo spent much of her career helping her patients navigate how to pay for costly cancer drugs. Then she was diagnosed with leukemia. Her medicine, called Imbruvica, keeps her cancer in check, but it costs almost $16,000 a month. Even with her Medicare, she'd still be on the hook for $12,000 out of pocket each year.
Come on, who has that kind of money? Not me.
She found a grant from a patient foundation to help, but it runs out in November.
I really just want to throw up because, it's either take this pill or I'm going to die.
Scarfudo isn't alone. New research shows almost a third of seniors on Medicare who don't qualify for low-income subsidies don't fill the prescriptions their doctors write for cancer treatment.
It's unbelievable that this amount of out-of-pocket cost is expected of most people who are age 65 and older and insured by the Medicare program.
It's a problem in many different diseases, but particularly cancer.
It was oncologists who invented the notion of financial toxicity for patients. Patients may have a huge financial burden that forces them to choose between taking the medication or spending the money for whether it's food or transportation or housing or taking out more credit card debt.
Congress has proposed capping out-of-pocket costs for Medicare beneficiaries, but drug pricing bills have stalled again and again. For patients like Lynn Scarfudo, not being able to pay for her medicine is a matter of life and death and time with her family.
I would just live out my entire retirement and just die. These are all people that I love, and they would miss me. I'm a big part of their life.
Now, the drug companies that make Lynn's cancer drug, AbbVie and Johnson & Johnson, told us they're, quote, committed to ensuring as many patients as possible have access to Imbruvica, and noted they provide assistance to patients. The drug industry's lobbying group, Pharma, also told us it supports capping out-of-pocket costs for patients on Medicare.